Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add picture in Excel cell sheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add picture into Excel cell sheet. At first, select a cell. Now I am select this cell and go to the insert menu. Click the shape drop down menu and select the rectangle shape. Then draw the rectangle, feed the cell, press and hold Alt on our keyboard and draw the shape. Then select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline, select no outline. Select the shape fill drop down menu, go to picture and click work offline and select an image from your file. Now I am select this image and click insert. Now we can see we add picture into cell, but the picture is fitted on the cell. We make sure we resize the row and column. We can see we resize the column and row and the picture automatically resized. Now we make sure the picture is fitted on the cell. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.